Hello. Hi, everybody. This is Ian Lamont, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes and founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule a tweet in the future. And I've done another video that shows how to do this, but using a tool called TweetDeck. This is actually scheduling a tweet using twitter.com in a browser, any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and it's pretty easy to do. So basically, go to your Twitter account and click on Tweet, and then type what you're going to do. So basically what I want to do is I want to schedule a tweet for like weeks in the future saying that working on a new edition of our C. diff book. Stay tuned. So I don't want to send that out today. I want to send it out a month from now. Basically, at the bottom here, you'll see a bunch of tools. Don't click tweet. Click the one that looks like a calendar. It says schedule, and it'll be hooked up with this particular tool. So it's February 22nd today. I'm going to change that to March 22nd, same time, and I'm going to click confirm. And then I'm going to click schedule. So your tweet will be sent on Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. If you want, you can view it. Actually, I have to go back to tweet again. Click on the schedule and click on schedule tweets, and then I can see it. So you can see I have a whole bunch of tweets scheduled in the future. And where is it? Yeah, here it is right here. So if I wanted to change that tweet, I could click on it again and I could add another hashtag or something and then click schedule again. Okay. For more information on how to get the most out of Twitter, check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Also, if this video helped you, if you could take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.